In this lesson, we're going to be talking about penetration testing. Now, penetration testing is a way of ensuring that your network and your enterprise is actually better protected against attack or intrusion from outside sources, or even, frankly, from inside sources. So one of the things you might do while you are performing a penetration test on your network, or if you've been contracted to perform a penetration test on someone else's network, of course, is look at their wireless capabilities. Now, we're going to be looking at a lot of different tools that you can use in order to perform this sort of penetration testing. One of the tools we're going to be looking at is Kali Linux. Now, Kali Linux is kind of a penetration testing distribution in a box. If we look at the Kali Linux menu that's here, you can see there are a lot of tools that are available. Everything is kind of structured and organized in a menu for us. So we've got password attacks, we've got wireless attacks. We are going to be spending a lot of time on these sort of attacks right here between 802.11 and Bluetooth and some of the other types of wireless things. And of course, we've got exploitation tools, sniffing, spoofing. We'll be doing a little bit of those sorts of things as well. But Kali Linux, as I said, is kind of a penetration testing operating system all in one box. Now, of course, it's based on Linux, so it's helpful to have some familiarity with Linux in order to make use of it. But even if you don't have a lot of familiarity with Linux, having this menu system really gives you the ability to very quickly go straight to the tool that you are looking for. This menu system really makes it a lot easier for us to kind of jump right into it. But wireless attacks are one of the components of performing a penetration test. And penetration testing is definitely one of those things that companies are doing more and more. They are trying to protect themselves against attacks that are out there in terms of getting to their intellectual property, getting to other resources of value within the organization. So definitely penetration testing is a really big deal. And as I said, wireless testing is a component of that. And that's really what we're going to be looking at as we go through the lessons in this particular series.